welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to make Bengali style chicken curry with potato or aloo. Without potato, Bengali chicken curry is not complete. Keep watching this video till end how I am making. I am going to marinate the chicken with mustard oil, 1 big spoon of mustard oil. You can add any cooking oil, half tablespoon turmeric, half tablespoon salt. That's it. Keep aside for 30 minutes. If you have enough time, you can keep an hour or overnight in the fridge. I will use my instant pot today. It doesn't take long time to cook. Also, pressure cooking is good for health. Press the saute button and wait for few seconds. Once the base is hot, I am going to add 2 big spoon of mustard oil to shallow fry the potato first. Here I have taken 1 big size potato. I already washed and cut and just marinate with little bit salt and turmeric. I am going to remove the potato. Now I am going to add small size 4 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and some whole garam masala, green cardamom, some cloves and little bit cinnamon. Adding finely chopped big size of onion. We'll fry the onion until it's not getting golden brown. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic and 4 green chili paste. I am adding 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 big size of tomato puree. Usually I add yogurt when I make chicken and mutton, but today I am not adding. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder. I am making very easy and simple recipe today. This is good for summer. Now I am going to add marinated chicken. Here I have taken 1 pound whole chicken. I will saute the chicken at least 4 to 5 minutes. I am going to cover it. It's almost 5 minutes. I am going to add salt. You can add salt according to taste. Now we will add water. As I told you, if you are cooking in the instant pot, you don't need to add too much water. Now I am going to add fried potato. Place the lid on and turn the knob to sealing position. I am going to set it to manual and set the time 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I have to wait for 10 more minutes to release the steam. It's been almost 10 minutes. Let's check. Yes, chicken and potato are perfectly boiled. Now I am adding Bengali garam masala. You can check my previous video. There was homemade Bengali masala. You can check the Bengali garam masala recipe. I am adding 4 green chilies, slitted green chili, stirring it gently. I am going to turn the saute and let it simmer for few more minutes because I have to reduce the gravy little bit. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check. Yes, perfect. See the gravy? Exactly this consistency I need. Bengali style chicken curry with potato is ready. This is good for summer. I don't add coriander leaves into the gravy, but I am going to garnish with some coriander leaves. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then you will get the new videos notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.